Hey kings and queens, welcome to my channel, Life with Nelly, aka your hair goddess. I am Nelly, and today I'm just gonna show you guys the wig that I purchased, and it's a lace frontal. Usually I normally always do lace frontals, so today is just gonna be a very short video on me melting my lace frontal. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using, for me, some Got To Be glue. I already previously cut some of my lace front a little. I'm going to be cutting some more, but I did cut some off already. So I'm just going to flip this back. And you can see that looks really nice. With some baby hairs right there. Flip that back. And it's an easy procedure. You don't have to use this. I just use this. I bought it and I like it, and I'm not going to waste it, so I use it. But you can use the Got To Be glue cream and whatever you prefer that you like, as long as it doesn't touch your edges. You do not want to touch your hair and your edges, because that'll when you go to take the wig off, you'll pull your edges off, so you don't want to damage your edges. And
I know that I'll be great at putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. And you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. My life till it's over.
I'm sorry, yeah.
And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my and I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control and don't just take it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Women, boys, they know it. Fast money, no slow. No one can control. Yeah. And I got this soda. Women, boys, they know us. Yeah. Fast money, no slow. No one can control. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the vibe. Lovers it good, freak what you.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking.
Thank you for watching, kings and queens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press the notification bell for new uploaded videos. And remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.